Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is Thursday, March 29th, 2012. Time 12:35 p.m. This video is about prophetic sounds. Sounds I heard from the future. I must stress that the number one thing that I receive from the future is sounds, strange sounds, booming sounds, thumping sounds. I know there are people in the YouTube world, or actually people that watch my videos pertaining to strange sounds, don't believe that I have heard these sounds from our future. And in 2011, August and September, I recorded here in Brooklyn, New York, booming sounds or thumping sounds coming from the heavens. Personally, I believe that some of the sounds that I'm picking up from our future are sounds coming from planets. Planets such as Mercury, Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn. How am I picking up these sounds from the future? I would have to assume that my spiritual man or my spiritual ear is picking up these sounds. And I also believe that we are in the end times, and I believe that a great deal of prophecy from the Bibles are being fulfilled, and some Bible verses talks about trumping sounds from the sky, where people will hear sounds of trumpet sounds coming from the heavens. And basically, I just also want to say before I end this video that I'm expecting to hear more sounds from the future, and I am also expecting to record more sounds in this year, 2012. Thank you for watching this video, and everyone, be good to yourself. Take care.